Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, have you ever thought, why do you forget Allah when life becomes easy? When you are in pain or in trouble, we cry and pray day and night, but when everything goes right, when you get money, success, and peace, we slowly stop remembering Allah. We think, now I am strong, I don't need help. But my dear brothers and sisters, this is the biggest mistake we make in life, because everything we have, health, money, family, all are blessing from Allah. Allah says in the Quran, and when you are grateful, I will give you more. Surah Ibrahim. So never forget Allah when life is easy. Remember Him in happiness, the same way you remember Him in sadness. Because peace and success only stay with those who remember Allah always. Thank you for watching. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.